Hey guys, Caveman Mining here. Hope everyone is well and having a good day. I'm going to start this video and be totally honest with you guys that I, in fact, am extremely happy and I'm having a great day. The main core reason for that is I want to say officially, GPU mining is back, baby.
It's alive. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive.
And really what I want to cover on today's video here, I'm not going to glamour you or just kind of poke around the garage here. I do want to preface this by saying that not financial advice, but I would say for most of you at this point in the mining community, you should be turning your rigs back on.
Do it!
I've got, I would say at this point, 80% of my farm back up. That bottom rig there is going to be on quite shortly once I figure out. I'm not going to expose what I'm going to do with that, but it is going to mine some type of coin. I'm also not going to tell you what type of coins I'm mining on these. We'll save that for a later video. But you can see we've got, you know, our GPUs going. We've got our ASICs going, the Caspa mining, which has been going quite well, by the way, so far. And, you know, I think I got in sort of at the right time from a cost perspective, right before the cost hike started up. So I would say even I almost doubled my investment just on the hardware alone. So more Caspa content to come. But I do want to spend some time in this video to look at the current landscape of GPU mining overall. We're going to jump into the laptop upstairs and look at some various projects for GPU mining and the profitability as of this moment in time, which is December 3rd, 2023. See you there in just a second.
Okay guys, we are now in our computer upstairs, and I just want to extend the excitement here. As you can see, we have the crypto bubbles here, and this is, I would say, profitability or the statistics for various crypto projects over the last week. Today is December 3rd, 2023, and we're hearing that the bull market is officially starting. That being said, I want to highlight Bitcoin, BTC, which is up 8.2% over the week. Today is the first day that it breached and broke 40,000. Now we're at 40,681, and that has been about 18 months from today's date since we were, in fact, at this point in time. And just to further that, many of the altcoins are also up. When we look at CoinMarketCap, we're going to highlight a few proof of work projects here. Bitcoin obviously being one of them, which is mineable by ASICs. The next we have down here is going to be Dogecoin. The next is going to be Litecoin. And then following that, we're going to see Monero and then Caspa, which you guys know I in fact picked up two Casper miners, the KS2 and the KS1. And then of course you see Ethereum Classic within the top 30, which is nice to see. And then interestingly enough, I saw Filecoin made it just outside of 30. And then we're going to have just various projects. So that is exciting to see. Now, I don't want to really do such a big market assessment here, but what I do want to look at is the proof of work altcoins, which you guys can see here is the what to mine. And I'm going to give a sample of my farm on various electricity rates, which you will see common out in the community. And you'll see we have a mix of AMD and a mix of NVIDIA rigs ranging from 3090s to RX 6800s, so on and so forth. So, you know, that being said, we've got well over 20 cards in our setup here, and our electricity is not 8 cents. I'm going to start at 8 cents just because I do know some folks and friends actually in the community that have this rate, and we're going to calculate that and see what is the most profitable to mine. As of right now, NUR AI, which is a Kapow algorithm, is in fact the most profitable to mine, which would take in $14.71 And then after the cost of electricity, you'd be pulling in $6.55. And then a popular coin, which is Chlor AI, which is also Kapow, pulling in $14.48. And then after the cost of electricity, $6.32. What I want to highlight here is just here are the top coins that are, I would say, extremely profitable. Take a look at the common factor in all of these, and that would be the algorithm. It is Kapow. Kapow algorithm is popping off right now. You would know this more commonly from the project Ravencoin, which sadly so is still not at the top. It's still down below here. That's because its value hasn't grown, but it is nice to see some of these other projects grow. What we're going to do here is we're going to change the electricity rate up by a few just to see what the statistics is. So we're going to change that to 12 cents, and we're just going to keep going up from here. So you'll see really the same sort of format, if you will, and that profit obviously gets trimmed down a little bit. $2.46 for Nur AI, and going down to NeoAxa, $1.13 after the cost of electricity. But I would say if you have these electric rates, 8 cents, 12 cents, you really should be mining right now. There should be no question. There is no argument at that point whether or not you should be buying the coins versus mining. You are in the green. So again, none of this is financial advice, but if I in fact had that electric rate, that is something I would be doing. Now for us, we do have a 19-cent electric rate. It's a little bit sad compared to that, because when we moved into this property in 2019, we had a 12 cents electric rate, and it's gone up considerably over the last few years. But that being said, all things considering, we'll look at Ironfish. That's negative $3.01. That would be the most profitable to mine on my electric rate. And then you could sort of see the jump from there. You know, Kapow obviously uses a bit more power. Lithium is, Blake 3, so that would be $3.34. So not horrible compared to where it was. I think if we looked at this maybe a month or 2 months ago, it would cost, if we were to mine Nur AI, for example, that would be a negative like $9 a month to mine. So that's sort of been trimmed in half. So we're going to keep watching this. My rigs are back on. I'm not mining any of these coins. I'm not going to release to you guys what coin I am mining. Stay tuned for that. And I would say 80% of my farm is online, but this is a step in the right direction. GPU mining is back for all intents and purposes. For those that have a really good to, I would say, more common electric rates, congratulations. And those that are in the same boat as me with the 19-cent plus electric rate, hang in there. I think our time is coming. I think that, if we're to see, Bitcoin reach to where it was at its all-time high and exceed that, there will be absolutely no problem with us achieving ultimate profitability and then some. So this is super exciting, guys. I really can't wait to see what the future holds. And GPU mining is back. There's nothing else really to say about that. I'm not going to rant and rave on this video, but I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. There's much more to come. If you like this video, if you'd like to hear more from me, please hit that like and subscribe to the channel. Really means a lot. We'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.